What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy JohnnyLox, aka Mr. Ooh-wee. Back with another video, man. So I know it's been a little bit since I've been here. Truth be told, it's because, man, I just wanted to give it a break for a second and let some things kind of change, you know, give you guys some time to wonder, you know, what's up? Did I cut it off? Am I still going? You know, is it still improving? Things getting better? What's up? So as you can see, man, I cut my hair on October the 29th. I'll put a screenshot right here, the last day when I was actually at the shop, and I saw that it was actually October 29th when I did this. So it will be, let's see, October 29th, November, December, January, almost 4 months, a little over 3 months since I cut my hair, and this is where I'm at right now. I know it's kind of hard to tell, like, you know, as far as length and all of that, you know, if you know how much it's grown, but I will give you, you know, I mean, I'm not too stuck on the length. I'm really more so about the quality and the well-being of the hair itself. But if I had to, you know, gauge it, I would say I'm probably at, what do you want to say, like that first little notch on your finger, maybe a little bit, you know, where that notch is, that first right here. I'm kind of right there, you know. I'm about right there, which is probably about 3/4 of an inch, maybe. So if y'all remember when I cut it like super low, man, super low. But if you follow my first journey, then you know that my wife twisted my hair with 4 months of growth. 4 months of growth. Now, you all know that I plan on reattaching my locks instead of doing, you know, starting a whole new journey. But I ain't gonna lie, like, I really been considering starting from scratch. I really have been. Mainly because of just starting something new and not attaching, you know, the old locks and I don't know, just you know, issues that could arise, which I seriously doubt there will be any issues that are gonna arise, because I'm gonna make sure that when I get it done, it's gonna be done right. There ain't gonna be no falling out or nothing. But anyway, so it's been in my mind, but it's not necessarily, I don't know, it's not like at the forefront right now. But one thing that has changed, I know originally I said that I would wait till about August, September before I did, which would probably be about 8, 9 months or so. But based off of the way that my hair is growing, I think I'm gonna wait a year, which will be at the end of October, right around November. So that should put me, at the rate that my hair is growing, probably put me at about 3 inches maybe. I know it don't look like it right now, but yeah, probably at the rate that it's growing, it should put me at about 3 inches of growth, which is enough to basically put me back where I left off. And the main thing that I'm concerned about, that I was concerned about even with cutting it, is making sure that it was growing healthy, you know, the right way, not using any Rogaine or any type of crazy chemical, you know, to induce hair growth and everything. So I'm pretty confident in what I have going right now in my regimen. If you watched my last video about everything that I've used, that I am using, I'm still pretty much using the same things. The only thing is, with the seasons changing, I mean, well, with the weather changing, I'll say, especially being here in Georgia, it's a real different type of feel, man. It's like different seasons calls for different routines. And with the weather being cold, and then like it was 70 degrees today, you know, it's just gotta play around with my hair and see what it do. So one thing I will be talking about in the future is the types of hair types. And my particular hair type, when I say hair type, I'm not talking about like the 4A, 4C, that type of thing, but I'm talking about low porosity and high porosity hair. Hair is this whole thing, man, with the hair growth, man, and trying to make sure you get it to grow strong and healthy. It's a lot of different elements to it, you know, and the porosity has a lot to do with the fact that when I put oil in my hair, I can't use super heavy oils. And if I did use any heavy oils or any heavy products, it would just sit on my scalp. Like, my hair does not absorb. It doesn't have a lot of, you know, holes in the shafts of the hair and everything to, it doesn't absorb quickly, you know what I mean? So what I have to do is I have to use a light oil. I have to moisturize my hair in a different type of way. It's just I can't do just the regular thing that I just see everybody else doing. So I'm still playing around with some different things, doing my research with the low porosity hair, type of hair, and you know, different conditioners or shampoos that I need to be using, because what I was experiencing is still the itchy scalp, you know, and the dandruff. So I'm really trying to figure this thing out. I feel like I'm getting close to what really works for my hair, just doing my research and noticing the same types of problems as other people have been having with low porosity hair versus the problems that I've been having. But anyway, man, so I just want to give y'all an update, let y'all know, you know, I'm still here. Ain't nothing changed. I'm gonna give you a little 360 spin around or whatnot, you know, just kind of just to show you where I'm at. You know, I stopped fading the back. I'm kind of letting that grow in. I told him, you know, I don't want to fade that out. I'm just gonna let that grow, you know. I'm still doing everything that I showed y'all in the other video with the biotin. What I am going to do is I am going to substitute the one-a-day vitamins that I'm taking for the my Garden of Life vitamins. It's a more organic vitamin. Hopefully y'all can still see that, man. It's a more organic vitamin that doesn't have all the fillers and the crazy processed stuff in it. So I appreciate, you know, the person that dropped a comment in my past video about that. I'm all about that, man. So looking forward to trying that out and seeing how that works. And man, I mean, I can't stress enough, you know, how excited I am about, you know, just getting back in the game, man. So I'm looking forward to it, and hopefully y'all stick with me, man. Like I said, I am kind of considering just starting a whole new journey with a whole new set. But man, it's hard to I told my wife last night, man, going through like that first 6 months or a year almost, you know, that thing might be tough. Boy, I might get in there 3-4 months and be like, you know what, man, let me go and put my stuff back in, you know what I'm saying? Because that's beginner stage is rough to go through, man. And I told myself I did not want to go back through that. But anyway, man, I'm gonna let y'all go. This your boy JohnnyLox, aka Mr. Ooh-wee, back with another video. Y'all stay tuned, man. I want to say this is my what, 3.5 months of growth or something like that. We'll just say that, you know, it's 3.5 months or whatnot. But anyway, y'all stay safe, be blessed out here, man. I'll holler at y'all on the next one. Peace.